Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, then you know who I am, and if you're new, then my name is Hank Sampson. I'm a high-ticket affiliate marketer, and I've been putting together this YouTube course to show people how to do what I do. Look, these stupid gurus charge like 5 grand for some fairly simple information. Honestly, I think that's stupid, so I'm happy to give it to you for free. It's not like any of this stuff is secret or anything. Alright, so if you've stumbled into this and it sounds good to you, then what you need to know is you're on video 3 of a series that obviously started back with video 1. So, then I would really suggest you go back to video 1 and start there. Because this has to do with the making money using a specific platform, and knowing all of the background helps. Okay, today we're going to start covering free traffic sources, which will take us through the next few videos. There's a lot of information, and I don't want to make an hour-long video. A lot of people want to know about this stuff, and it makes sense, because it's not really a $25 investment if you have to pay for all sorts of other things as well. Right, so today we're going to talk about TikTok. Look, the first thing to understand about TikTok is that it's pretty random, and it's a pain, but there are a lot of eyeballs there, which makes it worth it. But what I want you to do is go set up 5 TikTok accounts. You'll need a different email for each, so I would suggest getting 5 mails. I like Gmail, but you can use whatever you like. I try and keep it simple, so I call mine things like Cashbus1, Cashbus2, etc. Whatever works for you, though I like Gmail because it is really easy to set all of them to forward to a single place, so that you don't need to keep track of a bunch of inboxes. You're likely to end up having more than that, and honestly, I don't even know how many TikTok accounts I've got at this point. TikTok accounts get suspended all the time, or you can get a violation of video which can lead you to getting shadow banned. If your views start dropping off fast, go make a new account. It's free and simple, and we're going to use these same videos in other places. So even though the actual site is a poorly designed piece of junk, I definitely recommend that you use it. You can get a lot of views, and it's brought me a lot of sales, but it's irritating. So don't get the idea that you're going to build this single awesome account, because a random ban can trash all of your hard work in a second. I probably have a dozen or so TikTok accounts just because I need to keep making new ones. So get those 5 TikTok accounts and start thinking about looking up some examples of what is already out there. But TikTok, everything is hashtags, so just look up hashtags like affiliate marketing, money online, and other things. Keep an eye on what hashtags the videos you find have, and that will give you more things to look for. Watch some videos, start getting ideas for things you can do. Here, let me put up a list of ones that I like to use. Right, so making videos is probably the most time-consuming part of this whole thing, but there is a really cool way to speed that up, meaning that you can make use of the same basic videos for different posts. Making one video to put it on all 5 TikTok channels is not your best plan. I like to use a great little app called CapCut to do edits like text, music, and all that sort of thing to make use of the same basic videos for different posts. This is important because content is king. Getting your affiliate link out in front of people who want the opportunity you offer is the whole point. The more eyes that you have, the more opportunities you're going to have to bring somebody into HBA and into your affiliate marketing platform. If you're like me and really can't go on camera or use a microphone, or if you're just nervous about it, toss me a message in the comments or email me. If people want, I'm happy to walk you through what I did. Faceless and AI channels do work, but they are much slower to gain traction, because that personal touch isn't really there. If you just don't want to talk, there are a ton of videos out there where the person is just pointing a text on the screen with music playing, or maybe the text is dancing around on the screen, or whatever. There's a ton of stuff out there. Anyway, create your accounts and go exploring. Find some marketers to model videos of or go do your own thing. Look at different hashtags, like make money online, that sort of thing. Okay, so CapCut is great and can make your lives easier. Now, I'll admit I was struggling to put together a good presentation for you guys on CapCut, but the problem is I'm not really super technical. Instead, I'm going to bring in the video that I used as a basis for learning it. Look, I don't really care if you learn the skills you need from me or someone else, as long as you learn them, and this guy's video is better than anything I could come up with. It doesn't matter, I don't need the credit for it. I'm putting a link to his video in the description. Go ahead and give him some traffic, you'll learn a bunch. Anyway, download CapCut from your app store and follow along with him. Once you've got the basics, go play with it. The only way to get good is to actually use it, so go and make yourself some videos. We will go over more TikTok advice next time, but I think this is enough for today. Go check out the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.